Robert Delaunay. Robert Delaunay, 1885 to 1941, was a French artist who, along with his wife Sonia Delaunay, played a significant role in the development of abstract art in the early 20th century. Born in Paris, France, Robert Delaunay initially studied art at the Académie Julian and the School of Fine Arts. However, he soon moved away from traditional academic styles and was drawn to the avant-garde movements of the time. Delaunay was initially influenced by the works of the Impressionists and Post-Impressionists and Symbolists, such as Monet, Van Gogh, Gauguin, Seurat, and Signac. Later, he became associated with the Cubist movement, particularly the work of artists like Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque. Cubism sought to depict objects from multiple perspectives simultaneously, breaking them down into geometric shapes. His early works, influenced by Cubism, featured fragmented forms and a deconstruction of the visual plane. The Fauvist movement, characterized by its bold use of color and simplified forms, also played a role in shaping his approach. Artists like Henri Matisse and André Derain, associated with Fauvism, explored expressive and non-representational color. Delaunay incorporated some of these color principles into his own work. Delaunay was one of the leading figures of Orphism, a term coined by the poet and art critic Guillaume Apollinaire. Orphism was characterized by the use of vibrant colors, geometric shapes, and a sense of rhythm, aiming to convey a sense of dynamism and harmonious movement. One of his notable contributions to art was the exploration of color theory. He believed that color could evoke emotions and sensations, and his work often focused on the interaction of color and form. He developed a technique known as Simultaneism, in which contrasting colors were used to create a sense of movement and depth. This technique was particularly evident in his series of works titled Windows and Circular Forms. During the prime of his career, the artist created the following series: Saint-Séverin Series, 1909 to 1910. This series, created around 1909 to 1910, is one of the artist's early works influenced by Cubism. It features fragmented forms and a geometric approach to depicting space. City Series, 1909 to 1911. City Series, produced between 1909 and 1911, reflects his fascination with urban life and the modern cityscape. These works exhibit a dynamic and fragmented representation of architectural elements. Eiffel Tower Series, 1909 to 1912. The Eiffel Tower Series, spanning from 1909 to 1912, showcases his interest in one of Paris's iconic landmarks. These paintings explore the play of light and color on the structure, employing the artist's distinctive style. City of Paris Series, 1911 to 1912. In this series, created between 1911 and 1912, Delaunay continued to explore the theme of the city. The works feature vibrant colors and fragmented forms, emphasizing the energy and rhythm of urban life. Windows Series, 1912 to 1914. The Windows Series, produced from 1912 to 1914, is characterized by the artist's exploration of light and color through the motif of windows. The paintings often feature abstract and rhythmic compositions. Cardiff Team Series, 1913 to 1914. The Cardiff Team Series, created in 1913, is associated with his interest in sports and movement. These works depict a football match involving the Cardiff City football team, showcasing the artist's energetic and vibrant approach. Delaunay's work had a profound impact on the development of abstract art and modernism in the 20th century. His innovative use of color and form paved the way for later movements such as abstract expressionism and op art.